Hi, it's PS Tarot. Hello, Aquarius placement. So, mid-May love reading. Okay? So, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? So, yeah. Let's start your reading. Aquarius. Check natin kung ano magiging takbuhan, ng inyong sitwasyon sa ngayon. Okay? So, tingnan natin ano bang sitwasyon ng mga Aquarius. Current situation, please. The Knight of Pentacles. Slow action, slow moving. Pwedeng may nangyaring pause, like may nag-stop. What's this Knight of Pentacles? The Page of Wands in reverse. May nag-stop mag-pursue. Okay, and then someone is waiting. Like, may nagtatanong na kailangan ko bang magstay? Kailangan ko bang umasa? Kailangan ko bang hintayin? Like that. Taas kamay. Sinong nakaresonate doon? Okay. Kasi may natigil eh. Or sabihin natin hindi nagiging consistent. Aasa ba ako? Mag-i-stay pa ba ako sa ganito na sitwasyon? Some of you, nag-uumpisa pa lang ito. Okay? Or sabihin natin matagal na, pero walang nangyayari. Walang nangyayari improvement. So, sino ba itong person na to, Aqua? Let's see. Sino ba to? What's their energy? What's in their energy? The Four of Pentacles in reversed. Some of them maluho, magastos. Okay? Four of Pentacles in reversed. And the Queen of Pentacles. Ikaw itong ibinigay mo lahat. Ikaw itong nag-invest ka sa kanya. Ikaw itong parang ni-nurture mo lahat eh. Okay? Binigay mo lahat. Yes. Some of you, may anak kayo. May anak kayo nito. Okay. So, ano ba talaga ang emosyon ng taong to sa'yo, Aqua? Ano ba talagang emotion niya sa'yo, Aqua? The Knight of Cups. We have here, energy, like, ano yung tawag dyan? Age gap. Okay? So, the Knight of Cups. Yeah, and the Eight of Swords. Nangangapa ka sa mga aksyon na binibigay niya. Confused ka or maybe you're in doubt pagdating sa mga aksyon at emosyon ay yes. That's why the Five of Swords. Kaya ka nasa Eight of Swords kasi itong meron Five of Swords, which is sabihin nating confusion. Andito rin yung energy ng parang hot and cold. Andyan rin yung mixed signals. So, ganyan. Okay? Some of them, hindi sila seryoso. Yeah, hindi sila seryoso. Meron kang hindi nalalaman rin pagdating dyan sa kanya. Kaya hindi sila makapag-focus ng sayo lang. Okay. A lot of confusion ang dala. Yes. Or may chance talaga na sila rin ang gumagawa ng hadlang para hindi maging open pagdating sa'yo. Yes. Ano ba ang magiging takbuhan ng connection nyo? The Two of Cups in reversed. Yes. So, may chance na hindi mo na maramdaman na may kakonect ka. Hindi mo na mararamdaman. The feeling is not mutual. Hindi na mutual. Okay? Why the Two of Cups in reversed? Yeah, something is not working out. Okay? So, magiging takbuhan is nandyan yung paglaylo or sabihin nating panlalamig, nandyan na yung wala ng effort, wala ng focus, dyan sa connection. Meron na ditong nananawa. Meron nagsasawa. Taas ang kamay. Sino nagsasawa na? Yun na, nakuha ko. May nagsasawa na dito, na umasa. Magtanong, ano kayang sagot sa mga tanong ko, hindi naman sinasabi. Hindi naman binibigyang kalinawan. Okay? See? The Ace of Cups in reversed. Wala. If you're investing sa taong ito, emotion, nasasayang lang yung binibigay mo. I'm sorry. Some of them, they're too immature. They're too immature. So, outcome/advice for Aqua. Ano ang advice for Aquarius, please? The Four of Cups. The Four of Wands in reverse. Separation. Kung kaya. There's no stability here. Okay, napaka-unstable ng ganitong connection, sa totoo lang. Nakaka-drain. Emotionally tiring. Physically, maybe. Financially, for some of you. Okay? So, Four of Wands in reversed. Get out. Oo. Dito sa connection na to. Why? Start new. Start fresh. Okay? This is all about expectations. Wala kang naman kasi ini-expect. Okay? Outside this connection, may chance na may happiness. Pero ang nakuha ko kasi rito, hindi makaya ng iba sa inyo na umalis, lumayo, dahil siguro nga, marami ka nang nai-invest sa kanya. Marami ka nang nagawa. Marami ka nang naibigay. Yeah, yun pa isang dahilan eh. Or maybe, meron kayong anak. Yun yung mga dahilan kung bakit ganyan. Pero may pananawa na dito, nagsasawa na kayo. Nakakapagod. And yun na nga lang, pwedeng dumarating na rin sa isip ninyo na makipaghiwalay. Yun na lang yung option para maging okay ka. So, wag mo na ipagdamot sa sarili mo yun. Kung yun na lang sa tingin mo ang magbibigay sa iyo ng peace of mind. There's no peace of mind over this. 8 of Swords. No. None. Okay? So, there. So, tayo ay tumungo na sa all signs. Okay. Aquarius. All signs. Aries through Pisces. Aries, a juggler. A juggler. Taurus, they like you. They're attracted. Gemini, they want to talk. They want to take action. They want to take charge. Cancer, they are happy with you. Happy, like content. Okay. Leo, some of them pwedeng may crush sa'yo, gusto ka, merong tawag dyan, may emosyon, pero nandyan yung immaturity. Kasi pwedeng hindi rin sila like nag-open up. Some of them. Excuse me. Virgo. So, they want to talk. They want communication with you. Just communication. Libra. Plans. Or pwedeng may execute ng mga plano pagdating kay Libra. Scorpio. They're afraid, scared, overthinking. They're sad, some of them. Hindi na makakain, hindi na makatulog. Sagittarius, they're in pain. Some of you, you have this, you're in a separation right now. Yeah, with this Sag. Some of them, nagdadalawang isip kung makikipag-ayos. Okay? Some of you may third party na involve. Capricorn, their back is turned. Yeah, they're not available. Aquarius. So, bumababa na yung attraction, hindi na nagkakaroon ng mutual feeling sa isa't isa. Pisces. They're in their, parang career lang, kaperahan lang. Yun lang inaatupag, parang ganon. Okay? So, yeah. Yun ang ating nakikita for you, Aquarius. Again, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.